What's going on, YouTubers? We've got a Google Home Hub here that we're unboxing today. Here it is. I actually won this at work. Take a look. Google Home Hub. Pretty cool. I don't know too much about it, but there you go. There's the size of the box. Turn that light off there so it's easier to see, easier to read. There's your side of the box. Nothing crazy. Let's open it up. Covered in plastic, just like all your other Google products. Box slides out like so. Should have it, probably broke it. There you go. That's what it is. That's what it looks like. Pops out. Here's the device itself. Here's the back of the device. Mute switch up top there. That's where the power cord goes. Nothing crazy. It's got some wrap on it, as you can see it. Put that off to the side real quick. Look inside the box. Pull this plastic out. You should have all just the accessories with it. A little let's get started guide, as well as the power cord here in this box. This is not a USB Type-C or mini USB. I'm not sure what kind of plug this is, but it is different than your other Google products. Nothing in this little side pouch here. All that's left is the Let's Get Started guide, and that's all that's inside the box. Thanks for watching this crude unboxing.